Hi everyone and welcome to another video. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Remember to subscribe down below, join us, and let's grow together. In our last video, we looked at what affiliate marketing is and how to get started. We look at the 3 things that you need to know to get started. If you have not watched that video, I'll link it down below. It's good that you look at it and then proceed with this one. So today we're starting with a question. Have you decided or thought about the niche that you want to venture into? What is it that interests you? Because in affiliate marketing, I would recommend that you go for a product that interests you, your passion, something that you want to be talking about. That means you have a passion on it. A product that you believe in, maybe you have interacted with or you've seen a good review about it and you believe in it. So it's good that you go with a product that you're aware of, a product that you can confidently market. There's a lot that you can market online. You can decide to go with softwares, you can do financial products. There are very many digital products that you can market. If you like health products, the supplements, you can go with that. If you like talking about weight or you're passionate about weight product, weight loss, weight gain, if you love cars, you can talk about food, recipes, the keto diet, entertainment, clothing, beauty and fashion, woodwork. There is a lot. There are thousands and thousands of things that you can get online and be able to market for some money. Now, I want to take you through 2 networks step by step on how to get products and market them. You can actually sign up and get started right away. This is Commission Junction. It's called cj.com. You can sign up. It's free to sign up. And then once you're approved, this is the site that will be allocated to you. So in this site, you'll be able to see the sales that you've made. You'll be able to search for products. You'll be able to get links and see everything about the product that interests you. Now, once you're inside CJ and you want to search for a product, you'll come to advertisers. And advertisers, click on advertisers so that you start searching for the product that you want to market. So assuming you have an interest in softwares, like I like dealing with softwares and digital products. Those are the ones that I market mainly. So I want to look for a product that is let's see what we can. Let's look for an antivirus. We want to advertise for an antivirus product. So you come and put in the keyword there and then search. There are thousands of products in CJ that goes with any niche that you're at. You can be able to find a product to promote here. So here we are. Let's scroll and see what you can advertise. Most of these products have about 3 months period where that is allocated to you, the cookie days. That means if someone clicks on your link and they stay for 90 days before they purchase, then on the 80th day or even the 89th day, they can still make a purchase and you get paid. So this is one of the softwares that we can market. And you see, you get paid a percentage. It's a good percentage. This one you'll get paid $20 to $100. iSafe apps. So if you're a tech person and you deal a lot with softwares, of course, then you're likely to know most of these terms and it will be easy for you to market. Most of us are aware of these names here. You see them a lot. And let's say I decide to market this product. So you come here and click on it so that you read more about it. So the first thing before you join that program, before you sign up to promote these products, it's good that you read about it. Read about the description and their terms. So as you can see, it's been in the industry for 30 years. Leadership and protection over 500 million customers around the world. So this is the product that is globally accepted and you can make money marketing it to people who own computers and also people who are even people who are doing a lot of work through their phones are getting the antivirus. So the good thing about CJ is that they also give you a data on which countries these products are selling more. As you can see here, this product sells more in India, Australia, New Zealand. You know, if you're able to target these countries, then it means you'll make much more targeting specific countries. So for every product listed here, they show you this kind of data so that you're able to decide on where to start and on where to target. When you're doing paid advertisement, this is very helpful because you'll be able to target the countries specifically. So if I'm interested in this, I will come here and click join program. And so my application has already been sent and they will send an email to me once I'm approved. Now, if I want to advertise that particular product that I've just applied for, I also need to look for another product. Say this one. I join program also. Now, if I'm approved in, say, 2 or 3 programs that I've applied for, then I need to find out, I need to find a way of promoting these products. As I mentioned yesterday, we have the paid and the free traffic ways of promoting these products. As you begin, start with the free traffic ways of promoting. And a very good way of promoting this product is through YouTube. So create a YouTube channel and then promote these products. If you head to YouTube, go to YouTube. Let's look for a video that talks about antivirus. So this is how you make videos. You can decide to do comparison of various antivirus or various products that you want to promote. And then once you do that, like this one, this person is talking about best antivirus for 2020. And as you can see here, now as you can see, this person is marketing the antivirus that he's talking about. So he's doing a review of the 5 antivirus and then listing them here. If you're interested in any of the antivirus products that he's talking about, You come down here and make a purchase, and that is how he makes money. It's as simple as that. You can do reviews or about anything, about any product, or you can also decide to show people how to use a particular product. For example, you can show people how to connect a VPN through your phone, and then you refer people through your description. Since you'll get your specific link, you'll be given a link. That is what you'll put at the description. When people click on that and they make a purchase, you get to earn. So I talked about CJ. Now I want to show you another site, and this site is very good and it is very known. It is called JVZoo. JVZoo normally deals with softwares. So head to JVZoo. It's free to sign up. You can sign up and get started right away. So come to products, go to top sellers. At top sellers, you're able to see products that are selling better than others day by day. So top sellers today, top sellers yesterday, you get to see top sellers the last 7 days and also the last 30 days. So I like going for top sellers past 7 days or 30 days. And that tells you that this product has been accepted in the market and it's doing well. And that is why people are promoting it more and more. So once you can just go through one-on-one or just find out what interests you and then go for it. Now, I'm really passionate about dropshipping, so this caught my eye. Now, dropshipping is all about e-commerce, and the most known software globally that helps people to create online stores is Shopify. So this product is called Dropshiply. So Dropshiply is the software that does all the work for those people who want to get in dropshipping. So it does all the work here as listed here. You can also be able to create your own online store or connect your existing Shopify software. You can market this product to e-com store owners, the dropshippers, all the business people that you know locally, the digital agencies, freelancer, FB marketers. There are very many people who can benefit from this product. So how do you market this product? First things first, go back to the site, and then because I'm interested in this product, I will come here and click on affiliate details, and then I can apply as an affiliate to this product. As you can see, these are the commission details. This product goes for $47. If I get to sell, then that means I'll get half of this every time someone buys this product, and it's a good product to sell. So just go to request, fill in the request form, introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Anne. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I'm very interested in marketing this amazing product. I have promoted Shopify before, and I believe the clients that I have will be interested in purchasing this product too. And definitely you're going to get an approval. So just click on I've read the instructions, I'm not a robot, and then click on that. You will get an email after you're approved and a link, and you'll be when you come back to JVZoo under your dashboard, you'll be able to get your link. If you decide to do a video about dropshipping, which is the best way to promote this product, just come back to YouTube and search for dropshipping. You'll see all these keywords that people are searching for, and then you can do a video on training people how to do dropshipping step by step. And then at the description, leave the link to the product of JVZoo, and definitely people will get buying. That's it, guys. All you need to do is take action. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.